Hey guys, what's up? This is Shivani from eGadgets for you, and in this video I have this particular earbuds, the made in India pTron wireless earbuds, and in this video I'll unbox it, pair it with my iPhone as well as with my Android phones and show you how it works and tell you about the quality of this particular earbuds. This is a gift from my sister, but I will put the buying link in the description as well. So without further ado, let's get into it. So guys, as you can see, this is a packaging over here of the pTron made in India. Branding is also over here, and if we switch to the back, you will find that certain USB of this particular device is actually printed over here, as it says connectivity advanced wireless Bluetooth 5.0 12 hours blah blah blah, stuff like that. So without further ado, let me just bring in the knife and cut through this particular thing. This actually unveils the packaging, as you can see very clearly over here. This is the packaging over here, and of course without further ado, let me just put aside the buds for the moment and take a dig deep into the other aspect that comes around in this particular box. Yeah, we have some spare buds over here as well, and yes, you can see that yes, it's not a type C charging point, as you can see over here, and this is a quality that you can get over here, and this is a USB end over here, and of course this is a box where you can put the buds and all. And if you see that the charging point of this particular box is right over here, it goes in just like that, and you put the other end of the USB and you charge this particular thing over here. And apart from that, if I show you, yeah, this is a pretty simple box over here. What I'll do is that let me put the buds over here and I'll show you, because these are the things pretty much that's are the things that comes around in the box. And apart from that, it says thank you and congratulations, we hope you have a rocking experience. Okay, got questions, blah blah blah, and fully charge your gadget before using it for the first time. As per policy, product registration is mandatory. Go ahead and I'll do this particular search. It's pretty self-explanatory. You can scan this QR code or you go to this particular link and register your product, which you can do very easily. So for now, what I'll do is that I will take out the buds from here. Yeah, the buds come out, and also this one over here. Yeah, the other buds also comes out nicely over here, and these other things, it says a branding over here, as you can see very minutely. Let me just focus over here, and yeah, it says the left is over here, as you can see the L is written over here, and similarly the right is over here. So the branding is also very minutely and perfectly done over here. So yeah, these are the buds that you can see. What I'll do is that I will put in this particular thing. The right goes to the right end of the box and the left goes to the left end, and you see it displays that currently it's charged with 75% of battery, as you can see over here. And yes, this is a charging point over here, and once this particular charging is zero comes to zero, you have to plug in this particular USB point and charge this particular box. It's very self-explanatory. So now what I'll do is that I will put aside all these things, bring my iPhone over here. Okay, now I have placed my iPhone over here, and yes, Bluetooth is on over here. But before doing so, what I'll do is that I'll show you that okay, the left earbud, as you can see, has turned into blue, which indicates that the left earbud is fully charged, while the right one is still at red, and it indicates that it's still charging. See, after just turning on the blue indicator for 10 seconds, it will go off, and when it's off, you can be rest assured that yeah, this particular earbud is fully charged. Anyways, what I need to do is that first make sure that both these two earbuds are connected to each other. To do that, what you need to do is that to take out both these earbuds, and you can see the MFBs. The MFBs are the top section of the earbuds over here. So these MFBs, you need to press them for around 3 seconds. So once it does, it pairs automatically to each other. Now what I'll do is that I'll go to my Bluetooth settings over here. Let me show my phone. Let me just focus it over here. So now once these two earbuds are interconnected automatically, you will see that one will flash the red and blue light. Either one can flash it, and this indicates that the pairing between them has been completed. Now what I need to do is that on my mobile over here, I need to go to the Bluetooth settings over here, and once it's there, I have to search for this pTron TWS, as you can see over here. So I have to click on that and wait for the pairing, and yeah, it says it's connected. So now what I'll do is that I will put this earbuds in my ears, and I will see that whether any music is playing or not. Now for the sake of the video, I'm just using Amazon Music over here. I have a premium subscription to that. The Bluetooth has started playing, so I have to change the camera angle and I'll show you. But before that, I have to show you how can I pair this automatically to my Android phone as well. So yes, now I am in my Android phone and the earbuds over here. I will turn on the Bluetooth, but before that, yes, turning on Bluetooth, and the available device, it will search for the available devices for sure. Yeah, you see pTron WS, so just go ahead and select that. That's it. It's pairing request. Yeah, pair. So yeah, it's pretty straightforward. So this is the way that you pair your Bluetooth. Now I'll show you the use of this particular Bluetooth, like how to use it while play, pause the next track, the previous track. I'll show you. So let me get to that. So yes, I am over here turning on the Bluetooth and opening the device, and yeah, it's charging. So taking them out, going to Amazon Music. Should connect automatically as the Bluetooth is already on over here. Should connect automatically since I have already paired with this with my iPhone. So I'm just going ahead and playing this particular track, and since you can't hear it, it actually makes sure that yes, yeah, it's playing in my earbuds. I can listen to that. But now the most important thing is that now if I want to go to the next track, what I need to do is that press any of the earbuds 2 times, 1, 2, and see, it goes to the next track. Now if I have to go to the previous track, any of the earbuds whichever is closer to me, I just press it 3 times, 1, 2, 3. Yeah, so that is the thing. It's just I'm pressing it 1, 2, 3 times, and yes, it goes to the previous, and pressing it 2 times, it goes to the next track. So that's it. It's pretty easy to use. And yes, if you get a call also regarding that scenario also, if you have a call, you just press it for once and you can answer that particular call. If you want to pause the you want to pause or play this particular music list, what you need to do is that you just need to press it once, and yes, it will again play. As you can see over here, it's playing right now, and if I press it once again, it pauses. So that is the thing. It's very easy, very straightforward to use. And if you want to reject a call, you just need to hold either of these buds for 2 seconds and it will reject the call. So that's it's pretty easy, pretty straightforward. I will make another separate video after I've used this particular earbuds for a week or 2 weeks or so, and I'll give you a full review of this particular earbuds as well. I guess this video was helpful for you. Hope so this video was helpful. If you have liked it, please consider liking and sharing with your friends and families. Do stay subscribed and turn on the notification bell so you stay updated about the latest happenings in eGadgets for you. That will be it for this particular video. Bye for now.